So in the previous lecture, we logged in as a user and play around a bit, but there is so much more. I don't think I can cover everything. I might even forget. There are too many features here, but I want to show some more. For example, wish list, right? So they can update the password as well, and they can add things to wish list and leave a rating as well. So let's give this a try. You can see this this product has 2 ratings, and altogether it sits at 4.5. All right, so let's view this product. All right, now this user can leave a rating. So let's say this user haven't left any rating before. If they had, then they would see the existing rating here as well. But because this user haven't left any rating, it's empty. Okay, so for example, let's say this user decided to give 3 star. Okay, hit OK. You can see immediately the rating, the average has changed now. So previously there was a 5 star and 4 star, so it was averaging at 4.5. But because we got 1 more rating and this user decided to rate this product 3, altogether that became 4. Okay, now if this user now want to update the rating, no problem. If he decide to give 2 star, then you can see the rating has gone even further below, less than 4. Okay, so let's try with 1, and you can see just less than 3.5. So that's how we are calculating the rating system as well, and it is 1 rating per user, and the total has been calculated, so it's perfect and ready to use in production. Okay, so that's great. Next thing, user can add this item to wish list. If they're not ready to buy yet, no problem, they can click add to wish list. All right, and you can see add it to wish list. Okay, so looks like I have to I forgot to remove this text. I need to work on a bit of a styling, but you can see the product has been added. All right, so you can obviously show a lot more information about this product. You can show the image and so on, but I've just decided to show the name, and if you click here, you can see the product as well. Okay, so that's how wish list works. Now there are so many features. Let's not worry about covering everything. You will learn as you build this application. Okay, now let's try login as an admin and see how the whole experience goes for admin. Right, so let's log out. Let's log in as an admin. Let me log in with Google. I have an admin account already here. All right, so here you can see I'm logged in as an admin, and here in the admin dashboard, so you can see it. Previously the other user would go to a different dashboard, but because this user is admin, they have a different dashboard, so they can do a lot of things here. So here you can see all the products, all the orders. So this order is in the processing status, this has been dispatched, and this has been just received, not processed. Okay, so admin here, they can update the status, so they can make it dispatched. So that has been changed, dispatched. If it is completed, then you can see the status updated. All right, so that's how admin can control when they receive the order. They can do all these things, and they can update the status. Okay, now that's what is happening here in the dashboard. Then there is more here in the product. Admin can create a new product. All right, so maybe we shouldn't go through everything. It's quite a lot of features, everything you would wish to have in an e-commerce application. All right, we have multiple image uploads. Let's try this 3. Let's try creating 1 product, why not? All right, so we are uploading image to Cloudinary. Okay, so you can delete MacBook Pro 2020 series. Let's say copy. Let me just write some description. Is awesome. Okay, so price, let's say 55. Shipping, yes, no. Let's say yes. Quantity, let's say we are going to list 100 MacBooks in our site. All right, so color silver, brand, it's Apple. Now there's another important concept here. You can see category, but you don't see subcategory, right? Because until the user clicks the category, we don't show the subcategory. When user clicks the category, based on whichever they clicked, we will show the subcategories that belongs to one of these categories. Okay, that's another exciting feature here. So let's pick laptop. So once you pick laptop, you can pick subcategories. So all these categories you can pick for laptop. But if you pick something else, desktop, then desktop has only few subcategories. So these are different. You can see here with laptop, these are different. Okay, so let's pick one or more. You can pick as many as you like. You can see here, it's pretty nice. We're using ant design for this. All right, so let's give this a try. Let's create this product. And if you're wondering why we are seeing this empty, because the image have been zoomed very well, it's just a CSS thing. You can always play around with that. Okay, so let's save. Okay, so MacBook Pro has been created. That's great. All right, so we have that bit of a countdown type of loading thing as well. Now you can go home page, and yeah, new arrival, the new product that has been just added is here. Great. Okay, you can see, beautiful. Okay, now let's go back to the dashboard. Now that's how admin can create a product. Now they can see all the products. Admin can see all the products because admin should be able to update and delete the products, right? So here, if they want to delete, they can click OK and it will be gone. Let's just not delete. I have to create a few more. So let's try editing. Let's say we missed some steps and we need to edit. So you can obviously update the images as well, no problem there. Let's remove one image. All right, that's gone. Awesome and awesome, but very expensive. Okay, so let's say we just wanted to update that, and we can update anything. You can see here, even the subcategories, the selected ones are pre-populated here. So these things, these little details, I have paid so much attention and so much time to make it work. So things like this are most of the time left out by online courses, but I have spent a lot of time to make everything work. You can see here the pre-selected, and you can add more, remove more, no problem. All right, let's hit save. All right, so if you go again, you can see these have been updated. Now if you decide to change the category from laptop to desktop, then you will not see any of them. Okay, so you see something totally different. Now if you go back to laptop, you can see they pre-populated the existing subcategories are there. So this is incredibly difficult. It gets difficult sometimes when you want to update products in a way, but we have done all that here in this course. All right, so that's how admin can update the product and delete the product. They can manage everything here, and then they can go here, create categories, create new categories. Let's try keyboard. All right, let's create. Okay, you can see that appears here, and sometimes you might have hundreds of categories. So if in case you want to filter, you can always do that. Laptop comes here, keyboard comes here. All right, that's pretty cool. And it's same with subcategories. That looks pretty much exactly same. Okay, admin can create coupons. So you can see 2020 in the previous video, I applied this coupon code and that gave user 90% off. Okay, so you can delete the coupon, you can create new coupon. Let's say discount, expiry date you can pick. All right, so let's pick 1 month. All right, and then you can just discount percent. Sorry, that should be here. That's the name of the coupon. And discount, let's say we want to give 50% discount for this code. All right, hit save. Perfect. You can see we have one more coupon that will give users 50% discount. Perfect. All right, and then finally, even though this uses admin, he might still want to update the password. No problem. If they want to update, we take them to the user dashboard. Otherwise, this is the admin dashboard, right? So we have covered pretty much everything you want to have in a e-commerce application. And even if there are few things left out, by the end of this course, you will gain so much knowledge and so much experience that you will be able to just build anything. You will get that confidence. Now, there is one more extremely exciting feature here, that is advanced search. Okay, you can see here we have so many different options to perform real-time search here, which I will cover in the next lecture.